The acrylic animal cage, pet box, and bird cage are made of thickened acrylic material, which is environmentally friendly, safe, lightweight, sturdy, non-toxic, and durable. The transparent panel helps to observe the living conditions of different types of pets, such as birds, cats, lizards, etc., at any time. Additional feeding box, shower basin, etc., made of transparent acrylic material can be used to feed pets, take showers or sand baths without allowing water to overflow and wet carpets. It can be used as a spill-proof food box. Add a standing pole design at the entrance to protect your feet and facilitate bird standing. Easy to install and clean, easy to install and disassemble, and easy to clean. Dimensions, functions, etc. can be customized according to needs. Beneficial to pet health.